If you need to repair your credit, you know what it's like to be denied loans and to be charged ridiculously high insurance rates. But here's the good news: you can repair your credit. By learning all you can and taking specific steps, you can rebuild your credit in no time. Here are some tips to get you started. A great way that you can achieve a good credit score is to never stop using credit. Be sure to use your credit cards as much as possible, provided that you can pay for them. By doing so, credit card companies will know that you have a good history of paying and will therefore give you a high credit rating. A good thing to do in order to get a good credit rating is by opening a savings account. This will let credit card companies know that you have the means to pay for loans. This will also give them the idea that you are responsible when it comes to finances. Spread your credit disputes out. If you are disputing several items on your report, do them one at a time. If you dispute too many items at once, the credit bureau could get suspicious and consider the disputes to be frivolous. Examine your report and dispute the largest items first. One of the simplest things that you can do to repair your credit is to never make the same mistakes that you did in the past. Even if you might have declared bankruptcy in the past, it does not mean that you will continue in your bad habits. You can correct this by simply working on positive things to repair your credit one step at a time. One of the best ways that you can do in order to keep a good credit score is to pay for a monthly copy of your credit report. This will allow you to see all the activities done with regards to your credit. If something does not look right, you will be able to dispute it before it is too late. Don't give up or become discouraged with setbacks. Your credit score may drop as you go through credit repair. This does not mean you are doing anything wrong. Continue to add positive credit to your report and over time your score will improve. Rebuilding your credit is a long and frustrating road. Taking baby steps will get you on the right path. One thing that you can avoid in order to keep a good credit score is to stop applying for unnecessary credit cards. Each time you open a new credit line, your credit score goes down. Just apply for 2 credit cards at the most, and that should be enough to pay for your daily expenses. To ensure that your credit reports are up to date and accurate across all 3 major bureaus, order reports from Equifax, TransUnion and Experian every year. You are entitled to a free report from each bureau every year, so checking all of your credit reports will cost you nothing and could help you to uncover a damaging error. One of the greatest secrets to credit repair is to get rid of your debt. The sooner you pay off what you owe, the faster your credit will improve. If you work to get rid of what you owe, you will see the benefits. Getting your credit fixed by following these tips is possible. More than that, the more you find out about how to repair your credit, the better your finances will look. As long as you maintain the credit you are rebuilding right now, you will finally begin to stop worrying and finally enjoy everything life has to